My Best Vacation by Jonathan Hill Salcedo. Introduction. Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Hill. Today I want to talk you about the best vacation of my life. I was my motorcycle trip around South America. I was one of the most exciting and unforgettable experience I have ever had. A few years ago, I decided to travel across South America on my motorcycle. I visited Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. The trip lasted several months, and every country taught me something different. What I did? I rode thousands of kilometers very quick. I crossed mountains, deserts, and beautiful cities. I met many friendly people. I tried different traditional foods. I took hundreds of pictures and camped in different places. I visited famous tourist attractions and learned about different cultures. I traveled before Colombia and my city. Before the street, I used to stay in my city most of the time. I used to before afraid of traveling alone. During the trip, I become more confident and independent. And also, I worried about expected problems, but I learned to solve them calmly. Conclusion. In conclusion, that was the best vacation of my life. I create unforgettable memories and this experience have changed my life. Thanks.